What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to manage photo access for apps on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Managing which apps have access to your photos on your iPhone is crucial for maintaining privacy and ensuring that only the apps you trust can view or modify your photo library. To allow or restrict photo access for third-party apps, open the Settings app on your iPhone. As you scroll down, you'll first pass to the native Apple apps and then see a list of all third-party apps installed on your device. This list includes all apps you've downloaded, such as Snapchat, Instagram, or any other app that you're having issues with regarding photo access. To manage photo access for a specific app, let's say Instagram, simply tap on the app you want to adjust the settings for. Within the app settings, you'll find an option labeled Photos. Tap on it, and you'll see several options regarding how the app can access your photos. Choose None if you wish to restrict the app's complete access to your photo library. Select Limited Access to allow the app access to a certain number of images in your photo library. If you want the app to have complete access to your photos, tap on Full Access. By adjusting these settings, you can effectively manage photo access for apps on your iPhone, ensuring that only the apps you've given explicit permission to can access your photos. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.